What blocks utilization? Why the body cannot use what is available? This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 150. Having something available does not mean it is used. Utilization can be limited. Inside the body, several conditions can affect this. Stress, inflammation, low energy availability, transport limitations. If the system is under load, priorities change. Protection increases. Access can decrease. Delivery can slow down. Cellular processes can become less efficient. This affects what is used, not because it is missing, but because conditions do not support it. The system adapts to what is possible. Function follows conditions. Next episode: how systems begin to restore effective utilization. If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. This work is created independently. If it supports you, support link is available on the channel page. Thank you.